Okay guys. Tapos na. Yan. Okay, ito ang ating sliding door sa ating shower. Tapos na rin yung shower natin guys. Yun, no? Oh. Okay, shower time. Okay. Ano pa tayo dito? Alright. Ang lakas, oh guys. Oh. Shower time. Nice. Ganda guys. Ito ang ating lighting door. Meron lock dito guys.